Hi, first grade. Happy Thursday. It is time for art, so let's get creative. All right, so today for art, we are going to be kind of um, going in the theme that we've been talking about different things. For example, in social studies, we've been talking about the first Thanksgiving. In general, our class family has been talking about what we're thankful for. I know that you have been doing that in library as well. So we're going to continue on that theme. So what you will need today is you will need some paper, scissors, and then things to decorate it with. So you can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, different things like that. So get those materials and meet me right back here. All right, friends, I hope you have all your things that you need for art today. So today what we are going to do is we are going to make a thankful turkey using our hands, and it's perfect because our hands are always attached. And Miss Rudolph and Miss Brown love this time of year because we are so thankful and grateful for everything we've been given. And this time of year, we really have the chance to focus on it. And especially this year, since it's been so tough, we really, really need to look at those amazing things that God has given us because sometimes they're hard to see. So what you're going to do is I have a piece of brown paper. Again, you can totally use white paper and then color it if you want, like brown because the turkey is brown. I was lucky enough and I have brown construction paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to put it on here on the paper and you're going to trace your hand. So let me show you what this looks like. Okay, so I've got my hand on the paper, I'm tracing it, I'm tracing all my fingers. Just be careful what you use because depending on what you use, friends, it may be on your hands and on your fingers for a while, but most of this should come off, okay? All right, friends. So what you are left with is you are left with your hand. Then what I am going to do is these are feathers. We're going to pretend this is going to be the head of the turkey, and then the other four fingers are going to be the body or the feathers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take four different colors. Again, use whatever you have at home. If you have crayons, if you have paint, if you have markers, whatever you want to use. And I am going to color each of my feathers. Okay? And remember, friends, if you're using like a thick marker, I would go ahead and do it on the side because you can color kind of faster. So I hope you're doing this with me. So I made one feather yellow. I'm making one feather orange. And then I'm going to make another feather green. So I hope you're doing this with me. And again, this is a video, friends, so feel free to pause it, do one step at a time with me, and then press play when you're ready to move on. And then my other feather is going to be red. But again, this is your thankful turkey, so it's up to you. Okay, friends. So now what you have is you have your turkey and you have your feathers. So now the next step is I want you to think about what you're thankful for. Okay, sorry about that, friends. So what you're going to do is think what you're thankful for. And then on each of the feathers, you're going to write what you are thankful for. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm thankful for, but I don't want you to do the same thing as Miss Rudolph. There might be some things that we are each thankful for, and that's fine. But please, please, please use your own brain. Think about what you're thankful for. So I'm going to write them here. Okay. And I'll show you. Okay, friends. So what you are doing is on each feather, you're writing one thing that you are thankful for. So if you can see on my red feather, I said I'm thankful for my friends. On the green one, I said I'm thankful for my students. And on my orange feather, I'm thankful for my family. And on my yellow feather, I'm thankful for God. Okay, again, Please, please, please. If you're thankful for God, that's fine. You can put it. But do you have students, friends? No, you're not a teacher yet. So that doesn't make sense for you to put that. So try to think of what you are thankful for. Okay, so the next step is we need to make the turkey's face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a beautiful eye, and then turkeys have the gobbler, that red thing that hangs down, so I'm going to do that. Okay, and then they also have like a beak. I'm going to make that orange, okay? Kind of like, there we go. Okay, so let me show you. So I've done my face, okay? The next thing I want to do is I want to add some texture to my turkey because turkeys are all over. They have feathers all over. And so my turkey kind of looks a little bare. So what I'm going to do is since I made him brown, I'm going to take a brown crown this time, and I am just going to make texture lines. I'm going to draw all over my turkey to kind of make texture so it looks like it has feathers all over it. And I'm going to make sure it's dark. And then I'm going to lightly color over it to kind of give it that extra feathery feeling. Okay? So as soon as I get these a little bit darker, we can show you. And then I'm going to color over it a little bit, lightly, lightly, lightly. Okay, so as you can see, friends, I made some texture with my lines, and then I lightly colored over it to kind of give different feelings of different types of shades of brown. Now, what is my turkey missing? It has its feathers, it has its body, it has its face. What is it missing? That's right, his feet. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make his feet. Okay? So, and if you notice, we are going to be cutting this out. So I did make my feet a little thicker because it will be easier to cut out. So I didn't make them super thin, and I'm going to show you why. Because when I cut my turkey out, it'll be easier to cut. So now what you're going to do is you are going to cut your turkey out. And then, friends, when you have your turkey all cut out, you have a beautiful decoration to add to your home for Thanksgiving. And I am so excited to be doing this with you because I love doing arts and crafts. I love talking about what we're thankful for. It just makes me so incredibly happy. And I love hearing what you are thankful for. All right, friends. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pause this video while I finish cutting this out, and then I will be back to show you the final result. Friends, so I am back and I have cut out my turkey. So as you can see the feathers, my thankful feathers, my beautiful turkey face, and my cute little turkey feet. Now, I need you to follow this very, 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 very important direction. At school, some of you may not have known, but when we did our pumpkins, I was able to print your pictures and they are hanging in our wall. So it's like my friends learning from home are here with us, with the kids that are coming to school on Monday and Tuesday. It makes me feel so glad that you guys are here with me. So what I need you to do now is you're going to have somebody take a picture with your turkey, with your turkey. So you're going to hold it like this, and then somebody's going to take a picture of you, and you're going to be like, I want to see your smiling face with your turkey when you turn it in. Don't just show me your turkey. I would love just to see your turkey, but I also want to see you. So make sure somebody is taking your picture and it's you and your turkey. Get it? Got it good? Get it? Got it? Understood. Well, I cannot wait to see your creation that you made, and I can't wait to see. I apologize, friends. I can't wait to see your turkeys, your wonderful creation, and I cannot wait to see all of the things that you're thankful for. All right. Remember, take a picture with your turkey and turn that picture in. Okay? Have a great evening, and I will see you guys later.